Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am very excited to show you two super simple DIY creations that are perfect for any tabletop display, little accent piece on a bookshelf. And the base supply is a foam circle donut disc. Honestly, a foam circle donut disc. Both of these DIYs are so simple. You're going to be amazed at how they turned out and the minimal products that I used to make both of them. Before we jump into the video, please make sure that you like it, give it a big old thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I love seeing new people here. We've kind of gained in numbers over the past few weeks, and I am really excited to share all of my creations with you guys. So speaking of sharing creations, if you are ready to see how I made both of these very easy tabletop bookshelf decor pieces, come on with me. Let's go create. are both of my creations up front and center, and you're gonna need to comment below and tell me which one is your favorite. I have a clear winner in my mind, but I would love to know what you guys think and which one you may create on your own. So let's talk about both of these. Can you believe that this decor piece is not brass? Can you believe that it is as light as a feather? Because I hardly can, and I made it. I am so shocked with how this turned out in the best way possible. It is so lightweight, but it looks so luxe and high end and real. I mean, it really does look like a brass paperweight almost. I mean, I am so shocked at how it turned out. This was also the first time I ever used Rough and Buff, and I can see why so many DIYers use Rough and Buff. It is very user-friendly, even on the material that is the foam and the paint. Like, it really adhered nicely. It moved how I wanted it to. I can see why people really enjoy Rub and Buff. It gave a beautiful color, and I'm really happy with how this one turned out. And then the star of the show. If you have been on my channel for even one video, you will come to find that textured pieces have my heart. I love dimension and texture and natural beauty, and that is what this piece really encompassed. I mean, from the rocks that are from the Dollar Tree, from the Dollar Tree, to the textured spray paint that I just sprinkled on. And it's not necessary, it's not required. I just wanted a little something extra. And that textured paint gave me what I was looking for. I love how it really does replicate those chains that are so popular everywhere, but are so expensive. And not only that, they're really big. And for a home the size of mine, the pieces that I can incorporate into my decor, they can't be huge. They really just can't in the space that I have. So in order to make something work for me, I had to make it myself. And I did. And I love this so much. From the size to the texture, I am chef's kiss. This is the clear winner for me. But again, make sure you comment below on which one you liked the most. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I appreciate it so much. Please make sure that you like it and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.